This is my third time at this house for 3 different leaks. And guess what causing it? I told the homeowner from the day one, hey, we should repot the house. But I get it, it's expensive. We fix one leak, then another, and now I'm back again. At this point, she already paid more than repairs. Lesson of the day, temporary fixes can turn into permanent expensive. Sometimes the cheapest options will be the most expensive. Please don't forget to follow, share, and comment. Bye!